Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you want to know how I got this makeup look, I tried to get into this halo eye. It's so hard. So hard, but I pushed through. Keep watching. Hey guys, I am back with some more makeup. I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 because I'm obsessed with this. And then I'm also going to be using the Jamrock No Limitations Plain and Makeup by Yolando palette as well. Some oranges and purples and pinks, you know, cut crease situation. But yeah. So I'm going to start off with the, I believe, the Jamrock. I want orange in as my first color. So, no, I want purple as my first color. So I'm going to go in with the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2. And I don't know what color I'm going to take, but I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills white base as the first time. I'm going to try it out today. So I'm going to see how I like this. But move my mirror out the way a little bit, but I feel like I'm gonna go in with Not My Journey mixed with Therapy Sesh. But first I'm gonna prime my lids. So I ended up using this purple and the one above it. Now I'm going to be going into the Plain and Makeup by Yolando. I'm going to be going into the color Sally in my crease. So I did this one eye off camera, and I'm going to do exactly the same thing on this eye. Super cute. So yes, I'm going to show you exactly what I do. I'm going to show you the colors. I'll be pointing to them as I go. So I'll show you exactly what I'm using now. Okay, so off camera I did my eyes again because I didn't know what I wanted to do. But now that I got what I want to do, we gonna do it on this other eye. It took about 10 minutes to do this, like the crease and like the faux halo, and I kind of messed it up, but I fixed it. So hopefully I don't have that issue on this side. But I'm just been, oh, and I've been using blank canvas. I did not tell you guys. I've been using blank canvas to cut the crease. And yeah, so I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills at first, you know, to do the initial, then I wiped it off. Now I'm using the blank canvas by Louise, and I'm definitely going to do this. I found out how to work this base. It took me a while, but I got it down packed, and I'm happy. Just put it on the back of your hand and get you a good old brush, and you'll be good to go. So I'm just gonna start to put this all over my lid, and yeah. So I went in a little too much, so you see I'm fixing it. So I am not perfect, you know. Just keep going, don't stop, and use the rest of the P. Louise base on your end. And I'm using the same brush to apply the purple. Now I'm gonna apply pink. I'm just taking a washcloth, like a gray color. It's a gray color. It's not light. It's a gray color washcloth, and I'm wiping off the brush, and I'm gonna use it to do the pink as well. I'm just gonna overlap a little bit. And then I'm going to go back in with that purple. But I want like a hint of pink on ends. Now I'm going to go back on top with that purple just to make sure that that's blended. Hey, so I made a big mistake right here, but I'll tell you what I did and how to fix it. So with this eye, I did the glitter, then the wing. I'm going to reverse that. I know better than that. Do your liner first, then add your glitter. It'll be much easier. So I'm going to be using the Essence Super Precise Eyeliner. You can get this at Ulta. I think it's like $3.99. I bought like 4. I like it, and it's really, really tiny. I love the brush. Child, the perfectionist in me gets on my nerves, but I had to fix it. I bought this off of Facebook. This is a peel. Oh, I can actually show you how it works. So this is the, this is the glue, and this is how it dries on your eyes. And you're just going to peel it off, and it comes off, the glitter comes off too. I mean, I don't peel it off. I just use a makeup wipe, but even with the wipe, everything just comes right off. It doesn't go in your eye or anything. So I'm just going to get a little bit of that. And I'm going to put this glitter glue where I want my glitter. And it's just going to be in the nude part. But once I'm done with the glitter, I'm going to definitely show you. And this is called Party Girl. It's so pretty. And I'm just going to go back over it. This one looks lighter than this one. I don't know why. Oh, because I used, oh no. Okay, well, it is what it is. I used the wrong color. So I went into Jaclyn Hill and I used Certified as the shadow base here. And I used Playing the Makeup by Yolanda Susie for this one. So that's why they're two different colors. Okay, so I fixed it. But I'm going to have to go back over with the glitter. I went over it with the shadow from the Morphe times Jaclyn Hill palette. And I just went into the color. It went into the color, and then I went over the shadow. So now it's bright. But now my glitter is kind of dull, which is fine. Which is fine, because you still can see the glitter. But I'm going to add some more because I need it. It was going to bother me. So that's the way to fix it. Just go over it. It depends on what kind of shadow you use under. Since it was a white shadow, I can get away with it. But I'm going to add glitter on top of it, girl, because it was going to bother me. So I put the white shadow on top of the glitter. Yes, I did. And now I'm going to go back in with some more glitter. Let me stop talking before it dries on me. I got glitter all over this place. What I want to do is I want to take this brush with whatever product is left on here. And I want to just blend right here. So the eyes are done, so I'm going to clean up this mess and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm going to be taking Renee from Playing in Makeup by Yolando. Same palette I've been using. No limitations. I'm going to take that blue and I'm going to smudge it under my lash line. I'm going to just put a little bit of blank canvas. Oh, and I didn't show you the glitter. This is from Glow Up Academy. So I'm going to be using my NARS foundation. I haven't used her in a while. I'm going to need a new bottle soon, but I will be ordering her online. And my F17, the Makeup Revolution foundation stick. Warm Sand from Too Faced. And I'm going to put on top of it Pecan from L'Oreal Infallible. I have set my face, my contour with the translucent medium, and I got the Stardust powders in the color beige and caramel. I set under my eyes with caramel, and then I went on top of it with beige. I wanted to mix them, but I was just too lazy because I feel like beige is cute, but it's a little too bright, and I get a little bit of flashback, which is not good. So I went in darker, and then I went lighter. So I'm going to go in with Sculpt and Definitive, right? No. It's Chocolate and Sculpt, I believe. I'm going to take NC45 Studio Fix powder to go under my eyes, and I'm going to do NC50 just to dust all over. I'm gonna take O from the crayon case, the chalk dust, and I'm going to undercut my contour. Why can't I filter? So I'm going to put on these lashes. They are mink lashes from the beauty supply. This is Miss 3D 25mm milk lashes. They were $5. And I should have showed you in the packaging, but I wasn't thinking. But this is some wispy lashes. The same concealer I use under my eyes, which is Pecan 380 from L'Oreal Infallible, on top of Naturally Transformed lipstick from MAC. This is discontinued, unfortunately. But yeah, I'm gonna let this dry and I'm gonna put some gloss on top. So I took my lashes off on the bottom. I feel like it was just a little too much going on. And I took this brush that had a little bit of pink on it, and I just blended it out just to have the top match with the bottom. Since the top has pink, we want everything to be cohesive. Yeah, I just feel like the lashes were just too much. Yeah, it's prettier without the lashes. This is Showing Skin by MAC. And I feel it matches perfectly. So I'm going to let my setting spray set, and I'm come back to highlight. And the look is all done, and I was in love. I hope you guys enjoyed my video on how I got this halo look. Until my next one, I'll see you guys later.